Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Just going to do another review. I've just picked up this Ozito silent oil free air compressor, 24 litre, 1 horsepower. There you can see all the description, 3-year warranty. You can see all that. That's the barcode. So, a better picture. There you go. There's the specs there. And the contents that come with it. Transfer wheels. So, put this down. Here it is. As you can see by my hand, it's not a big unit, but it actually, yeah, very nice. Just need to get the cord, got the gauges there, on and off at the top there, oil free. And it's actually really quiet. The only thing I had to put on was the front part, the little stopper there, 2 wheels, and just the air filter here. That was pretty much it. There was nothing else. Handles, everything was already on it. Yeah, and it's pretty quiet. Let me just turn this on. Let's go in the back here. So, let me turn this on for you. You can hear how quiet that is. Not a big unit. I don't know if you can probably still hear me talking, but yeah, pretty quiet. This is going on, you can have a normal conversation with someone standing next to you, but it's pretty quiet. Let's see. Pretty quiet unit. Not big at all. For me, I'm going to put it under there, like I'll remove those and I'm going to put it under there. It's a perfect for my little shed. It's got a little shed here, so it's actually perfect. Yeah, but as you can see, quiet as anything. And yeah, doesn't come with anything else. I just picked up this today from Bunnings. I'm just going to give that a go. Just a couple of attachments. Might do a review on this one later. They didn't have any Ozito stuff there, but yeah, there was some good reviews on this one. But I think it's just going to be a trial and error. Things I'm getting, I might get a little hose and install that somewhere here, so then I can just leave the tank down there. And yeah, so that's the review of that. If you guys got any questions or want me to go in a bit more in depth, yeah, I don't know a lot about air compressors. I'm learning as I go, but yeah, this one seems pretty good, and it was just good for me, for my circumstances that I've got here in the little shed. Just to pump up tyres, soccer balls, pool stuff. Yeah, so that's the Ozito silent air compressor, 1 horsepower, 24 litres. Yeah, so hope you liked it. If you want me to do anything more with this, just let me know in the comments. Please like the video, subscribe, and hopefully have a bit more things coming soon, that I can do a few more reviews on. But yeah, Thanks guys, have a good day.